Welcome to Owl's Airguns. Hey, I've been getting a lot of questions about these online, so I was just going to open this pack and I thought we'd go ahead and take a look at them on camera here. This is a package of the Umarex NitroAir, the compressed nitrogen for the Umarex Komplete, and who knows, in the future we may have another gun or two that will operate with this kind of thing. We'll just have to see. But let's go ahead and open up this package because a lot of people are very curious about any similarities here to CO2 or high pressure air, HPA. And Umarex has always said, so far, in everything that I've read, is that there's no compatibility between the NitroAir system and the 88 gram CO2 or any of the HPA bottles that are out there. Now, obviously, these are very similar in size and form factor. I can go ahead and weigh one in a second here. Okay, let's go ahead and get a weight on our Umarex NitroAir cartridge. Get that turned on. We are 13.5 ounces. Let's go ahead. And that equals 0.383 kilograms. Excuse me, 0.383. Yeah, kilograms. Or 383 grams. Or we could say 0.845 pounds. All right, 13.5 ounces is what we're looking at for us Yanks. But the differences seem to be in this neck. Now, obviously, they may make some kind of adapter or something in the future, but, you know, there are some differences, too. The nitrogen is obviously a different gas, but they're also telling us it's pressurized up to 3,600 psi in this vessel, and that it is stepped down by a regulator to about 1,800 psi in the airgun. Now, the part I wanted to get in here, obviously, we have this neck area where there may be some differences in length and or thread pattern. And then it also looked to me like there are differences in this portion and how that pierces. I'm used to seeing something flatter on the CO2 cartridges, don't have that kind of indentation. That's actually almost conical going inside there when you look at it. So I haven't taken apart that rifle to look at the piercing mechanism, but my guess is there's a difference in dimensions and in the type of piercing here. Also, as I understood it, you know, with CO2, we're more like 950 PSI. Up to say 1050 or 1150 is what people will set usually their HPA regulators for. And you know, as we see on the side of this, that gun in particular is looking to see considerably higher pressure on that input valve, and then it does step that down. But I don't know. It'll be interesting to see if they can offer any way to operate that particular air gun on CO2. But anyway, you get two of these in the thing. I paid, I believe it was right about $22 for two of them. And they're saying we're going to get about 45 shots per cartridge. And I will be documenting that, so I'll be able to tell more about that in the future. As far as size, let me put it on the scale here real quick. Like I said, these I think are pretty identical to the 88 or 90 gram CO2 cartridges as far as overall dimensions. Looks like we're 8 inches long overall. We've got a 1-inch neck, and looks like the tube diameter is a little over an inch. So yeah, pretty standard exterior here. I think the interface may be different. But did want to go ahead and show that, and I will look forward to seeing you all on the next one. Thanks a lot.